Picking up from the last tutorial, I've now just inserted my menu into Dreamweaver, and notice the little asterisk next to index there. I need to save it, so Control S to save. I will now make this page a template for the other 3 pages. So I need to put my hyperlinks actually on this menu image. So the way I select it is I simply click on it and I will have 3 black squares showing up to show that it's selected. Now down here you'll have 4 different selectors for hotspot. So we can actually put hotspots in here. So there's the mouse, there's rectangle, circular, and then polygon. So we're going to select rectangle. Just go to the top left hand corner, click and drag over there. This little alert will come up, just click OK. In the link it'll have a hash. You need to delete the hash, type in index.html, that's the address of our home page, press enter, and that's now a hyperlink. Go to the next one, Bulldogs, click OK, take out your hash. So remember our page was bulldog singular, so just put in bulldog.html, press enter. Same for Foxy's, click and drag, and again it was singular, take out the hash, press enter. And for Shih Tzu, my web page was just called Shih, SHIH.html. That should be right. So I'm going to save that. So Control S to save it. Now that should be my template for my other pages. So I'm just going to go File, Save As, and then I can just click on, because I've already made up these pages, I can just click on Bulldog and just go Save, and just go Yes to overwrite. File, Save As, Foxy, Save, and Yes to overwrite, and then File, Save As, Shih, Save, and Yes to overwrite. So you'll see that there's 3 other pages that have been created or actually overwritten by just resaving that first template. So all I've got to do now is just to type in the right headings. So instead of dog breeds, I'm going to put in Bulldogs. Instead of dog breeds for Foxys, I'll put in Foxy. And instead of dog breeds, and this one I'll put in Shih Tzu. Let's get rid of that D. And make sure you save for each one. So if there's an asterisk there, it hasn't been saved. As soon as you press Control S, that asterisk should disappear. Okay, now I can adjust the text and images in a moment, but I'm just going to see if that works. So I'll go back again to my page. When I refresh it, it should come up with the new formatting. If I mouse over each of the entries, I should get up a little hand which shows it's going to go to a hyperlink. So I don't really need to check home to start with. If I click on Bulldogs, I should get Bulldogs. Foxys, I should get Foxys. And Shih Tzu, I should get Shih Tzu appearing. So that's fine. Just click back to home, and then I just do a bit of a click around, so I could go Bulldogs to Shih Tzu to Foxys to home. Just make sure everything's working correctly. Okay, looking good. Now what I need to do is just adjust a few pages. So Foxys, I will just delete out the Bulldog section. Hopefully it's going to work for me. Something's happening there. What I might do is make that a vertical top. That's better. And Control S to save. And then Shih Tzu again, I'll delete out that. Delete out the miniature Foxy. I will make my vertical alignment to the top and just bring that up a little bit. And I will save that. And just double check again, just make sure I've saved everything, there's no asterisks. So Bulldogs is good, Foxy's comes up with a Foxy, Shih Tzu, and then back to home. So far so good. You can also fix up the titles, so home can stay as dog breeds, but then for Bulldogs you should have Bulldogs up there, for Foxys you should have Foxys, and Shih Tzu for Shih Tzu. So just fixing those up. So here's the Shih Tzu. All I do is just mouse over the heading, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, press enter, and Control S to save it. Back to the Foxy's page, same thing, mouse over it, copy, paste in the title section, press enter, and then for Bulldogs, I didn't save that one, Control S to save, Bulldogs, Control C, Control V, press enter, and Control S. One more quick check to make sure that's now working. So it becomes Shih Tzu, Foxys is Foxys, Bulldogs, and the home page which is dog breeds. Okay,